In this module, students will talk about the relationship, the linkage between casework and counseling, and we will see that what kind of the similarities these two phenomena have and what kind of the differences are found between the casework and counseling. The casework and counseling both have the same objectives, and both have to help those individuals who are in trouble, who are in difficult situation, and who want to seek help. And both deals with the same kind of same type of clients who are in need of help and in some aspect of social and emotional living, and both deals with the same type of problems like rehabilitation, the financial assistance, or some sort of therapeutic, who are in need of some therapeutic assistance or therapeutic help, and some other medical or occupation and profession related problems. So and the effectiveness of both means the casework practice and the counseling depend upon the relationship which exists between the counselor and who is seeking the counseling, the client, or the caseworker and the client. And both believe, no doubt, in the worth and dignity of the client, that every individual is respectable and is of worth